Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And this video is about some mixed type of heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and more beautiful. And as you see, this black heel looks really nice, a very pretty heel and a very beautiful design. And this one is also a very nice black color heel, mostly in black colored, but they look really good and pretty. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this butterfly shiny heel looks really nice and really beautiful. And this one is also a very pretty white color that looks really nice and really amazing color, beautiful design and really different color combination. And as you know, heels intricate embellishments like bows, stud or crystals or the shiny material and many more that can make your heel more pretty and more amazing and make it more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful black color heel that looks really nice and really amazing and beautiful design. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.